How to check deleted notes on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. The Notes app on iPhone is a versatile tool for capturing and organizing information. It allows users to create various types of notes, including checklists, text-based notes, and those with multimedia like images, sketches, and even scanned documents. Once you're here, you can view all your notes. If you want to delete a note from here, then hold the note and swipe left. Then, tap on Delete. Now, go back to the Notes folders page. Go to Recently Deleted as shown. Over here, you can view all your recently deleted notes. Open the note you just deleted to view it. You can also choose to permanently delete this note if you want. Following these steps, you can easily check deleted notes on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.